a lot of businesses don't know how they want their customers to interact with them. So they want a website and they think website's just like a glorified business card. It should have all the information accessible all the time, all the buttons, all the contact info. And it's easy to understand why people want that. But in many cases, the website is what teaches people how to interact with you the most. So if we can be proactive with the client and talk to them up front and say, look, this is your opportunity. You're building a new website. Are you sick of getting emails, phone calls, text messages, Facebook, Google messages, all about new business? Maybe you just want a consolidated lead form so that your intake process is more efficient. Like, these are the conversations that need to be had before you start the design process, because you can teach people how to interact with your business through a good website, through good, consolidated, clear messaging in your marketing.